Kia ora, my name is Tasha and I'm a pharmacist at Auckland City Hospital. Today I'm going to show you how to use your Respimat inhaler device. There are a few things you need to do before you first use this device. Inserting the cartridge. To insert the cartridge, keep the cap closed on the device. Remove the clear transparent base by pushing the grey button on the top and pulling hard on the base. To insert the cartridge, place the cartridge on a firm surface like a table. Insert the cartridge into the base of the device by pushing down hard until you hear a click. Put the transparent clear base back onto the device until you hear a click. You can ask your pharmacist to do this for you if you find it difficult or you have trouble. Preparing your Respimat inhaler for the first use. With the cap still closed, turn the transparent base in one continuous movement, half a turn in the direction of the arrows on the inhaler. Now, open the cap. Push the release button on the front. You will see a spray of mist come out of the top. You may need to do this for a few times to see the mist come out of the mouthpiece. You will need to repeat these steps at least 3 or 4 times to make sure that the device is primed correctly for use. Do not worry, you are not wasting any of the medicine and there will still be plenty for you to use for your doses. Inhaling your dose. First, sit upright or stand upright with the cap closed. Turn the clear transparent base half a turn in one movement in the direction of the arrows until you hear the click. Now, open the mouthpiece. Breathe out slowly and fully. Then close your mouth around the device, but be careful not to block the 2 vents on either side. As you take in a breath, make sure it is slow and deep. When you do this, you will push the release button on the front and inhale the mist. You will need to hold your breath for up to 10 seconds and breathe out after that. You will need to do this twice to inhale the full dose. You can then close the cap. There is a counting device at the side of your inhaler. This will tell you how many doses are left. Once you get into the red section, you will need to go and get a repeat for your device. If you have any questions about any of the inhaler devices, please go and ask your pharmacist. They'll be more than happy to help and answer any questions.